Hello everyone. I recently got the chance to attend a great session with Dr. Prabhat Kaushik sir, the founder of Education Beyond Books. He spoke about the key qualities every teacher should have, and it really made me think. In this video, I would like to talk about what I learned, especially about clarity of explanation. Today, I am going to talk about a very important topic, clarity of explanation. We often hear people says explain clearly, but what does it really means? Clarity of explanation means explaining something in a way that is simple, clear, easy to understand. It helps others to understand or thought, ideas or instruction without confusion in the daily life. This is a very important skill. Let me break it into 4 simple points. Where do we use it? When we use it? How we use it? And what to do? First, where do we use clarity of explanation? We use it everywhere, at school, at home, in the office or even in public places. Teacher uses it to explain lesson. Student use it in a presentation. Parents use it to guide their children. Worker use it in meeting or while giving instructions. Even a small conversation with friends, being clear helps avoiding misunderstanding. Second, when do we use clarity of explanation? We use it whenever we need to share something important. When giving directions, when teaching someone, when solving a problem, when talking to someone who is confused. We also used it during interviews, group discussion and speech like this one. Third, how we use it. Here are few simple sentences, or you can say here are a few simple ways. Use simple and easy words. Speak slowly and clearly. Give examples when needed. Use body language and hand gestures or eye contact. Repeat key points to help others. Remember, also always check if the person is understanding. If not, try again with different method. Fourth, what should we do to explain clearly? We should first understand the topic ourselves. Then we should plan how to explain it step by step. Use short sentences. Don't just jump one from other point, and always be patient and polite. In short, clarity of explanation is a skill that makes communication easy and strong. It helps us build better relationships, avoid mistakes, and be more confident. Remember, a clear explanation can turn a confused mind into understanding one. So, let's all practice speaking clearly, explaining kindly, and helping others understand better. Thank you so much.